How to make your computer faster in 3 ways. Shift plus Control plus Escape. Go to Startup Apps. First, disable those with high status, and then those which you don't need. Second way, hold Windows key plus X. Go to Power Options, and then to Power Mode, and select Best Performance. And third way, go to Run, and search Musconfig. Go to Boot, then Advance option, and make both of these checks off. This was how to make your computer. If you want part 2, then subscribe. Thanks for watching.